Alright guys, it's another late ass night and it's Sunday. The weather's dropped. I was busting my butt to get these to get everything up, get the walls up. I got 3 of the walls up. Other ones are gonna be a little more trickier because these are gonna be double swing doors. But I had to hurry up and get as much as I could done. So I got my little floodlight in there. Almost looks like I got electricity. But I gotta hurry up because we got a storm coming in tomorrow. So I gotta start wrapping all my stuff up. I'm racing to get all my work clothes ready. I'm beat down. I mean, I literally have worked from sun up to sundown every day. There's a lot of little intricate cuts. I'm by myself. I'm hauling all the material myself. Matter of fact, sit down in my car to go to Home Depot to grab, more material. It's probably about the only time I actually took a rest. I'm doing whatever I got to do at this point to get this thing up and going and protect the better interest of our property. I'm exhausted. I'm just sort of letting you guys know what's going on. But I'll live to fight another day. All right.